Think manufactured homes are outdated or low quality? Think again. Here's why more people are choosing modern manufactured homes over traditional real estate. Manufactured homes are built in a controlled factory setting, then delivered and installed on-site. That means faster move-ins, sometimes in under 90 days, with fewer delays and inspections already handled. Brand new homes under $200,000 are still possible in California, especially in land lease communities. And with specialty financing, you might be surprised how low your monthly payments can go. From family-friendly to 55-plus active adult communities, enjoy amenities like pools, gardens, clubhouses, and pet parks. Plus, you're often close to beach cities, shopping, and outdoor recreation. Choose your layout, flooring, cabinets, appliances, even add a front porch or kitchen island. It's not just a home, it's a home made for you. Want to learn exactly how to buy a manufactured home from start to finish? Comment 10 steps below to get our free video guide that breaks it all down, from financing to move-in day.